Hi guys, hello, how are you? For today's video, I'm gonna unbox this one. I bought this the other day, so let's find out if what is inside. But I know I'm very excited now because this is what I am really needed. So please, Ringo, my baby. Say hello, baby. Say hi. Yeah. So slowly, please take your time. I'm so excited because this is really what I'm waiting for. Thank you, baby. Andere Seite, Ecke. In der Ecke, du. In der Ecke.
Ja. Was ist hier los?
Langsam, slowly. Slowly, baby.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Take your time. Take your time.
Joel, noch Joel und Leon.
Time. What's this? Let's see, let's find out. Oh, yes.
Das iPhone.
Oh, yes.
Der hat also nicht,
Das iPhone.
Also nicht lang, der hat,
Yes, this is iPhone. You can see
Dein
that
Handy,
there
glaube ich.
is
Das
there is that's
iPhone
yeah.
und Apple. Cool.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? Guys, I bought it. He bought it like 1,146.99 for 46.99. As you can see, and now he just bought it last time. So really is 28. Yes. Yes, I have discount.
Cool.
I have discount, guys. I bought it for 1,240. So, yes. I have bought this. I have a big discount.
Steht hier.
I have a big discount. Yay.
iPhone 16
Yeah,
Pro
yeah.
Max.
He have changed his
Aber
mind.
groß.
Actually, he have changed his mind, and
Das war nämlich.
it's really,
Wie viel Gigabyte hat das? Ah, Google
it's
Gigabyte.
really,
Hat
yeah.
Apple iPhone